for buying this 15825 portable table from Fixture Displays. This is a great table set for picnics, barbecues, travel. This comes with a nice bag with basically 4 parts: leg assembly, 2 horizontal bars, and 1 tabletop that is accordion folded. The setup is really easy. We're going to show you step by step to make sure you have no trouble putting it together. So opening up the leg is a breeze. Very easy to do. There's really just one height setting to do this properly. Observe the tube have hole positions, and they should nest into the stem protruding from the hanging bar. You want to make sure that matches up there, and then you push all the way down. Okay, if you don't match up, you won't be able to push it down and assemble correctly. This is really the only critical portion to observe. Because of the matching positions, that is the reason why there's only one height position. Otherwise, this leg would allow you to adjust in height slightly. Once we have that set up, we're going to put on the folding tabletop. There are clamps on each end. We're going to clamp that onto the tube. Likewise, we'll do the same on the other end. Now your table is ready. The table is not very large. As you can see, you have a drink and a jar in there that takes a good portion of the table. And a large chair is just about as wide as the table. The table width and depth is 28 by 28. The height of the table is 25 inches. If you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. You can also text message us 630-296-4190. This table is really lightweight, weighs only 6 pounds. However, it can hold up to as much as 100 pounds static weight. The tubes are metal, the tabletop are aluminum. These 4 supporting tubes are 3/4 inch in diameter. Thickness is 0.6 millimeters or 23 gauge. The smaller tubes are 0.55 inches in diameter. The gauge is also 23 gauge. The clamps on the joint hardware is made from engineering plastic. The stability of the table is decent for for picnics. It's definitely not a heavy item. It's meant to be. It's meant to be portable, lightweight. As you can see, assembly isn't difficult once you know what to do. And put away is also fairly straightforward. You can see this young lady trying to put it away. It would be a minute or 2 tops to take it apart and put in the bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like us, subscribe. Feel free to share this with your friends and family or your social media network. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with the product review. That means a lot to us. If you desire anything custom, such as round table, a tablecloth, whatever else you may need in your later life, feel free to contact us. We are manufacturer direct. I love to make those for you. We don't have a minimum. Rather, we want to make sure we can supply you and retain a customer. The carrying bag has a nice handle you can carry with your hand or put on your shoulders. I hope you enjoyed this video and browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we offer. Thank you.